Anak din.
Ay, nako!
No!
Wait, can we say hi to Winwin Marquez? She's
Hi,
in there.
Winwin!
Hi,
Winwin!
She goes, hindi ako bumaba ng kotse to wait for your wrap-off with Kiefer. Kahit late na ako.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, paano kung napangasawa niya yung Jersey Shore? See the situation.
Win-win situation.
Pero that's his first name, the
Pero ito,
situation.
dapat daw yung parang second name niya lang yung Win-win. Tapos yung first name niya, Forda.
For the win-win.
What's the name? Forda.
Forda. Okay, are we ready?
Game!
So, Kiefer, you're joining the ranks of Vice Ganda, Georgina Wilson, Rocco Nacino, who else?
Bella Padilla.
Bella Padilla.
Yasi Friends.
Parang Flores lang yung take.
Okay, we're gonna wrap off just for you for taking time out to be on the Morning Rush. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Magpapahiya kami. We're gonna make fools of ourselves just for you. Alright, here we go. It's the CDG Epic Wrap-Off. You got Chico, Delamar, Gino, and the Phenom, Kiefer Ravenna on the Morning Rush. Yeah, we're all ballers here. Right. Alright, here we go. It's RX 93.1. Yeah, Kiefer, and he is a baller, a prolific scorer, gonna make you get your ass up off the bleachers. They call him the Phenom. This boy's got rhythm, and when he's on the court, he controls the outcome. Ateneo's Eagles, Kiefer gon' break ankles. Man, this guy's got crazy skills and judgment handles. Now he's with the key guys, nasa court tumambay, para sa nakatwalyang Hawks na walang malay.
That's his name and it's not fair. He's so good, he got flair. He keep doing his own thing. This Phenom's the real thing. Victory is in his hands. He's on top, won't give up now. Only thing that's on his mind is how to do it again. Hey,
Hey!
is how to do it again.
Nandito na si Kiefer Ravenna. Galing pang Boracay, nagpatato ng henna. Isang atenista, isang basketballista, and maybe, who knows, isang future artista. Walang makakapigil, panalo'y walang tigil. Girls ay nanggigigil sa champion na Blue Eagle. Sila I wanna be rainbow bright. Pero sigaw ngayon, one big fight.
For you, so we'll get into that.
And of course, a replay.
A replay.
Not the epic wrap-off. A little bit later on.
Right.
Pero hindi na one big fight. One big five.
One big fight.
Eagle.
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 Mahirap mag-rhyme.
Ano? Because people are just saying, parang iba yung tunog ng voice ni Del ngayon. Somebody's got soul!
Sabi ni Gino, i-bob ko daw yung head.
Dapat gumagano ka. You gotta feel it.
Lumalabas sa kanyang inner Rihanna Bell rap.
Here you go. Do you have questions on your side?
Well, we're flooded with Twitter,
I
with
know.
tweets about the epic wrap-off.
Yeah,
People,
go.
hi to the Jumbo Juice family. And hi to Dr. Ricky Bello.
Oh! Hello! Hello! To the wonderful people at Sexy Solutions.
See you soon.
Yes.
And also Bella Beauty,
Yeah, hello.
who gave me mine.
And Coach Charlie D, my manager, says, ganda ng rap nila ha. In fairness, one big fight.
Yes.
Goes to you guys. Thank you.
Hey, a little
And my
ano.
mom texted, naiiyak naman ako sa ginagawa nila.
Sana yung naguduin.
Here is Finny Me says, Kiefer, can you greet my office mate Jeanette Anzures? She has a huge crush on you.
Hi Jeanette, hello. Work hard.
Wala na. Mga hinimatay na lang. Feeling ko talaga.
Alright, so you live near Ateneo, diba?
Yeah.
You're not really stuck in traffic, are you?
No naman.
How do you get to listen to the show? Kasi you've been like tweeting us, nandun pa tayo sa kabilang side, di ba? Chico during
Sa
renovation.
Manila.
So we were like, but if he's not stuck in traffic, how do you find time?
I just listen to it. I mean, Well, not that near naman. I live in Cainta pa.
Okay. At least near
part.
the...
Pero yan, on the pag-start mo na ng car, it's there na.
Nice.
Automatic.
Bakit nga ba the Ateneo?
Ikaw ba pag sinasabi mo ba, di Ateneo ka ba?
Can you tell us why?
Kasi before talaga it was just Ateneo.
Ateneo.
I mean, our time, it was just Ateneo. So I'm so surprised that now it's the
I don't know.
Ateneo.
I don't know.
Pero nung panahon mo kasi marami na
Oo,
nagbago.
alam ko na. Alam ko na yun.
Marami
Di ba din...
Marami na nagbago sa mundo.
Di ba nung time mo dun
Na-establish yung Ateneo.
Di ba na una, UP o Ateneo?
Ewan ko, 1908 ang UP, diba? Talaga alam ko nung hindi ako taga-UP.
Hindi kasi nandun sa sign 1908. Hindi
pero-
ba na una Ateneo?
Oo, kami.
Tama,
150
kasi
na
with
kami.
Oo, right. Tama.
150 plus kami.
Ayun, sakto. Mga same age.
Grabe.
Grabe.
Maabuso na. Pero alam ko yung mga Jesuits.
Yung nakabangka sila, tapos dumating sila dito.
Nasa beach ako noon. Ay, may dumarating. Mga Jesuits.
Saka talagang ganun, ay, mga Jesuits.
How does your dad feel? Kasi syempre, every dad's dream for their son is to be good at probably what they're into, Kiefer. Like,
Yeah.
your dad is into basketball. And then,
He must be so proud
you
of
must
you.
be so proud. How does he, like, even think of, wow, my son is...
Yun yung loko sa kanya ngayon. Actually, ang dati, niloloko nila na ngayon, ang tawag nila sa kanya, oh, ikaw yung
The
daddy
father.
ni Kiefer, no? Yun na
Right.
yung tawag nila ngayon. Hindi na yung pangalan niya. Ay, anak mo ba si Kiefer dati? Ganyan. Oh, ikaw yung tatay.
Do you ever get it a lot when uso yung mulawin?
Actually, nung
This is
Ah,
back when it's
Ravenna,
called the Ravennas.
yes.
I would imagine, mga how old were you back then?
No problem.
That's
10 years old.
the ding-dong, ano diba?
No.
That
Tama
part.
ba?
No,
No,
Richard.
Angel.
Richard.
Angel.
Richard.
Angel.
Richard.
Richard
Angel.
Gutierrez. Yes.
Kasi the bad birds were called Ravenna eh.
Yes.
The bad birds.
No, the good birds were called mulawins and then the kalabans were
Yung
called
mga
Ravennas.
blackbird, diba? Yun
Yeah,
yung
Ravens.
yung mga black. Oh.
So, yun yung tawag nila.
Hey, hello to Tin Gamboa, she's student. Hi, Tin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, okay, so any...
The Desire was just say 13 inches ang paa ni Kiefer. Diyos mio.
Really exaggeration.
Here's a question that I wanted to ask. Like, ano yung biggest kalokohan yung ginawa as a team?
As a team,
I mean, obviously, I'm sure for you guys to bond, naglolokohan din kayo eh. Parang,
Parang pranks?
parang pranks, like, ewan ko.
hindi ko maisip. Madami. Actually, madami. Usually, nangyari sa mga team building namin. Of course.
Yeah.
Right.
Ganun lang, pero...
Wala na mga like yung basketball pinuno ng fart.
Oh, wow. That's so...
Hirap naman nun.
Mahirap ba yun?
Oo.
Saka, di ba, parang,
Actually,
it's so badass pakinggan eh.
Di ba may ice kami na malaki?
Yung cooler.
Tapos may naliligo dun sa may aranet. Tapos doon namin nilagay sa habang naliligo. So, galit na galit siya sa amin kasi
Lamig na.
talo pa. So, hindi namin alam paano may isip namin gawin yung spend namin.
Ano to?
I have one.
I know where. There's one question here pero I don't know baka...
Ako muna, sige.
Sige,
Just
mauna
run-
ka.
Madame Jam
Yeah, pareho
says,
tayo ng nakikita.
what other sports are you into?
Well, I play a lot of sports to cross-train.
Right.
Swim, of course, nandyan yung track to run.
Right.
Nandun lahat.
Do you play badminton?
Yeah, sometimes. Pero not competitively, just for really train to increase my foot speed and everything else comes with that. Just to increase my basketball skills.
You're right. So everything still for
Yeah,
basketball.
for basketball, not competitively.
What's your question, Chico?
Kasi yung tanong niya, si Madam Jam, who is your favorite female badminton player from Ateneo?
Female badminton. My friend, Julita Casilo. Still there. She's a good friend.
Bakit siya interested na interested?
Oh,
Tsaka sobrang...
specific eh.
Oh,
Oh, ito.
Ba kayo or something? Wala.
Ito, from I Am Dwayne B. Kung magiging artista ka, kung magiging artista ka, sino ang gusto mong maging ka-love team?
Ay,
From I Am Dwayne B. Na nagmumukmuk doon sa kabilang.
Sila siguro si Jazz.
Curtis
Curtis.
Oh, ito. Speaking of, what is your favorite song? Tapos sample.
Sige na, we rap for you!
yan?
I like, sing a song.
Sige, I'll lower the bed,
Old school
Someday
yun,
Dream.
Okay.
Sing
a song, let the world sing out loud. Sabi ko, tandaan ito.
So, sample, hindi ko alam.
Kinakanta mo pa nga yung part ni Del eh.
So yung, you remind me of the night that I didn't get to sleep for hours and hours, for you were on my mind. Yan.
Okay.
Sa
Thank you
tenista,
for
right?
that, para na-pressure si Kiefer to sing.
Do you do you play volleyball like your mom?
Yeah,
Ay,
I
you
did.
Oh, si Doini, may question.
Again?
Sino ang best friend mo na artista?
Best friend na artista. Si Vice!
Oo nga, no?
Si Vice.
Grabe when he was here, talagang actually ang dami niyang mga
Oo, dami niyang hirit, nakakatawa.
one-liners.
And then, tsaka it's fun.
Uunahan mo pa daw siya.
Oh, yun. Actually, it's fun to see, like, celebrities, parang nag-aasaran on Twitter.
Sa gabi, nung night before pumunta dito, tsaka ako nante. Sige, asalin.
Do you have like yung mga, di ba the celebs, they always have like these fan groups?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah,
So,
but-
yeah, sakto, I was like, say hello to Keith Peeps and Fix.
Wow.
So, hello guys, thank you for supporting me. And yun, meron. Actually, nakakataba ng puso kasi, alam mo yun, every game they spend
Always,
from
yeah.
their allowances na para lang mapanood
Actually,
ako.
that is true, ah.
Absolutely.
They hardly have any
Oh, right.
budget,
And I have
pero
fans from Nueva Ecija pa,
Wow.
Just to go.
Araneta, to watch us, especially
Kasi,
in
I mean,
finals.
for basketball fans, to see you this young, and the future is still ahead of you. So many things that you're still going to do. But if they can watch you when you started, that's a big deal.
Yeah.
Like, I was there when he was like this.
Yeah, of course, syempre for them.
I saka remember when you eventually become pro, parang, di ba,
Sila
parang,
pa rin yung
they can be like,
Right.
they were there when he was
When
just
you
a
started.
student pa lang.
That's what I mean.
Especially yung pagbata ka, alam mo sila yung magsusubaybay sa'yo sa career. mo.
Exactly.
Does your dad still have his
Yeah,
fans?
nag-pass on na sa akin.
Yeah, but-
Nag-pass on na sa akin.
They have like a club na kayong mga the sons of famous basketball
Oo
players who
nga.
eventually became famous basketball players. Ilan kayong mga
Ilan
ganun?
ba kayo? Do you have other like?
The ones who parang mga yung
I know.
lineage nila also basketball players.
Jeron.
Jeron, thank
you. Alright,
Jeron,
right.
Jeric. Me, sino pa ba? Actually, marami yan eh. So, hindi ko lang maalala ngayon.
Yeah.
Pero, there are a lot of mga sumusunod. din sa-
Basketball lineage.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, let's say hello to Yael, your fellow Atenean, aka lead vocalist of Sponge Cola. What's up, Yael? He's tuned in. Ayun, yun nga, yung question niya kanina daw.
Wait, iba pala si Ray pa pala. Ray Parks. Yes,
Mm.
Ah, right.
Right.
Two-time MVP of the UAP.
Wow.
Yun nga daw yung question niya, na parang when you're driving to the basket, does everything like sort of slow down for you? Kasi diba, everything happens so quickly. So parang,
Well,
does it
sa
sort of like...
basketball siguro na minsan kahit paano parang depende kasi pag sobrang focused
Oo.
focus talaga parang wala ka talagang naririnig. It's like playing by yourself.
Right.
So,
Because you
that's what
really
we
have to
do.
tune
Yeah,
out
to tune out
everybody.
everything.
Especially in the UAP with all the bands, 20,000
Yeah.
people,
Right. Tapos,
half of it booing, half of it
Right.
cheering. So
Oo.
you have to focus talaga.
Ano raw ang gwapo secrets mo?
naku.
For cheating well.
Wala. Nothing.
Isn't that the best? Wala ka secret.
Ganun lang
You're just
talaga. Pinanganak ka lang
naturally
ganun.
that, di ba?
Wala naman. Tapos, wait, back to the, nakalimutan ko teammate ko si Gwaine. Kapasyo pa pala.
Oo nga, no?
Oo
The
nga,
last names
the
pa
last
lang.
names.
Alam mo na eh.
niya also. So, a lot talaga.
Kasi ano? Ay,
Wala ka ng almirol eh.
ano si Tina Panero.
Ano?
Di ba?
Manny.
Anak sa ni Manny Panero. Pero hindi ka pala sa basketball. Okay,
Oh,
sige.
somebody was asking, Kiefer, sino para sa'yo ang pinakamaduming player maglaro? Hindi, kasi that's really part of the game
That's
eh.
part of it.
Mga hawi,
Hindi naman,
mga ganun.
hindi naman madumi. Siguro that's not the term for it. Probably physical. It's
Oo.
better.
Medyo dusty lang.
Medyo maalikabok.
Medyo maalikabok lang.
I mean, nandyan yung, bawat team sige, siguro may enforcer. Like FU has the Bringas Brothers. UST has Kevin Ferrer. They're not dirty actually, but they're physical.
Physical,
in their
much
way.
more
Medyo
That's how,
madungis lang.
that's how they insert their presence inside the
Right.
court.
And to
it's part of
intimidate
the
you.
game. Yeah, of course.
Oh.
Of course, minsan yun talaga that's why nandyan sila sa team is because they're there to intimidate
Right.
the best player on
The
the
best
other
player,
side, or
that's-
probably something like that. Pero, I mean, no one dirty. I mean, it's the UAB's basketball. If ever there's a dirty
Bait eh, no?
player, it's
Bait talaga
actually
eh.
normal lang. It's part of the game. Kung mapikon ka, talo ka. So,
Actually,
wala lang.
yeah.
Dr. Acosta was just saying, please tell Chico, idol ka talaga mag-rap.
We'll try to get a replay of
I
that.
know, we will try.
All right, but we're going to take this break, the final one of the show. And then when we come back, hopefully the replay will be there. And final few questions for the Kiefer Ravenna for you guys. All right, 9:55 on the clock.